When it comes to building your dream PC, the right computer case is essential. Discover our top 5 picks for the best computer cases that offer outstanding design, airflow, and customization options. Number 5. Phanteks X410 Pro to Full Tower. The Phanteks X410 Pro to Full Tower boasts a high-performance fabric mesh, tempered glass, dual system, PSU support, massive storage, and digital RGB lighting. Its black design adds sophistication to your build. Users appreciate the fabric mesh airflow, tempered glass side panel, and customization options of the Phanteks X410 Pro to Full Tower. Some users suggest improvements in cable management solutions. The Phanteks X410 Pro to Full Tower offers exceptional features, including a high-performance fabric mesh for optimal airflow. Its tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your components, dual system, PSU support, and massive storage options enhance customization. The digital RGB lighting adds a touch of flair to your setup. Number 4. Cooler Master Box Q410 Micro ATX Tower. The Cooler Master Box is a micro ATX tower, featuring a magnetic dust filter, transparent acrylic side panel, adjustable I/O, and fully ventilated airflow design. Its black finish and modern design enhance your build. Users value the fully ventilated design, transparent side panel, and adjustable I/O of the Cooler Master Box. Some users suggest improvements in cable management options. The Cooler Master Box stands out with its fully ventilated airflow design ensuring efficient cooling. The magnetic dust filter prevents dust buildup. The transparent acrylic side panel allows you to showcase your components, while the adjustable I/O offers flexibility. Number 3. Corsair EQ4x RGB Tempered Glass Mid-Tower ATX PC Case. The Corsair EQ4x RGB case features 3 SP110 RGB Elite fans, EQ lighting node core controller, high airflow design, and tempered glass side panel. Its sleek black design complements your setup. Users admire the high airflow design, RGB customization, and tempered glass side panel of the Corsair EQ4x RGB case. Some users suggest improvements in cable management solutions. The Corsair EQ4x RGB case prioritizes airflow, with 3 SP110 RGB Elite fans ensuring optimal cooling. The EQ lighting node core controller allows customizable RGB lighting effects. The tempered glass side panel showcases your components while maintaining a clean look. Number 2. Antec X410 ATX Mid-Tower Case. The Antec ATX Mid-Tower Case boasts a tempered glass side panel, pre-installed ARGB fans, and a full side view design. The sleek black finish adds elegance to your setup. Users appreciate the tempered glass side panel, pre-installed fans, and modern design of the Antec X410. Some users suggest improvements in cable management features. The Antec X410 impresses with its tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your components. Pre-installed 140mm front fans and a 120mm ARGB fan at the rear ensure efficient airflow. The full side view design adds a modern touch to your build. Number 1. NZXT H510i computer case. The NZXT is a compact ATX mid-tar gaming case that features a USB Type-C port, vertical GPU mount, tempered glass side panel, and integrated RGB lighting. Its black-red design adds a stylish touch to your setup. Users admire the compact design, USB Type-C port, and integrated RGB lighting of the NZXT H510i. Some users suggest improvements in cable management options. The NZXT impresses with a USB Type-C port for modern connectivity. Its vertical GPU mount showcases your graphics card, and the tempered glass side panel provides a stunning view of your components. Integrated RGB lighting adds a touch of customization to your build. Elevate your PC build with one of these top 5 computer cases. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, airflow, or customization, these cases offer exceptional features to meet your needs. Choose the case that aligns with your preferences and enjoy a stunning and high-performance PC setup.